Hi everyone. It's day 260 of the Feathered Quest, and today's bird is the Cedar Waxwing. Not every brood parasite succeeds. When brown-headed cowbirds target cedar waxwings, the chicks often don't make it. A diet built around berries isn't what young cowbirds are designed for. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?